Hello candidates, I am going to dictate you a passage from Legal Progressive magazine. So please get ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 15 seconds. The next argument is the argument based on the difference between the words within as found in CRZ1 as contrasted with the word in CRZ2. We are called upon to employ a purposeful interpretation bearing in mind also the distinction in the words used. Much reliance has been placed on the judgment. The said matter arose under the Coastal Regulation notification issued in the year 1991. The MOEF granted permission to the respondent therein for construction for setting up of a marine terminal facility near the seashore for receiving and transferring VCM, which was one of the raw materials for manufacturing PVC. Under the terms of the 1991 notification, certain activities were prohibited under paragraph 2. They included manufacturing or handling or storage or disposal of hazardous substances as provided therein, except transfer of hazardous substances from ships to ports, terminals and refineries and vice versa in the port areas. The question fell for consideration as to the interpretation to be placed on the words in the port areas. We feel advised to refer to the following portions of the judgment reported in the Law Reporter. It was contended by the senior counsel for the appellant petitioner that transfer of VCM in CRZ area is completely prohibited and VCM cannot be carried through the CRZ except in the port area. Their argument is that VCM can be brought on shore by pipeline to the port area but not in the CRZ area. The arguments of learned senior counsel have put in issue the scope of expression except transfer of hazardous substances from ships to ports, terminals and refineries and vice versa in the port areas, which was added in para 2 under bracket 2 on 9th July 1997. We are called upon to ascertain the true meaning and intention of the executive in bringing this exception. In the original 1991 notification, there was no exception clause. It appears to have been added for the purpose of enabling transfer of hazardous substances from ships to ports, ships to terminals and ships to refineries and vice versa. Is such transfer of hazardous substances confined to terminals and refineries located in the port areas? The answer in the affirmative may make the said provision unworkable and would also result in absurdity in as much as the hazardous substance would be brought into the port.